My mum has undergone chemo and radiation, 6 weekly cisplatin, 23 rounds of radiation and 10 targeted radiation treatment in May for her cervical cancer. Post-treatment MRI for pelvis done in August was cleared also. PET scan done in September is cleared too. From 1st December, she started experiencing blood whenever she passes stool. The blood is seen on the surface of toilet water and when she wipes down. And she confirmed it is indeed from her rectum, not vagina. There is no pain or blood, I'm urine. Just a little burning sensation on her rectum and spotting blood when she passed stool. Please help me understand what is actually happening now. I'm very scared. I don't want her to go through those horrible treatments again.